Hello, brilliant people! Good morning once again. Gusto ko lang kayong i-update because earlier this morning, I uploaded a video about my ganap here and how I did my PowerPoint presentation. So after that moment, natulog ako for I think about 1 hour or more than an hour. Natulog ako. So look at the time right now to prove you that I'm talking legit and for real. It's 6:43, December 15th, Friday. Yan yung oras natin ngayon, currently. Okay, so tapos na tayong gumawa ng PowerPoint, na-upload ko na siya sa aking co-teacher, and I have here my oatmeal for my breakfast. Meron din ako mga konting mga biscuits here, which my favorite biscuits in Taiwan. And of course, this one is coffee. Yung kaninang pinakita ko, Milo yun siya. Di naman pwede dalawang coffee ako in one morning. So this is coffee para powerful tayo buong araw today. So ang ganda ng feeling na natulog ka ng early, tas you wake up early, and then nagawa ko yung PowerPoint ko successfully. Then after rehearsing, reading all the words, natulog ako ng more than an hour, and then right now, I am eating my breakfast. So see you later. If I could be able to make a video, then you can watch me again after my show on this beautiful Friday morning or beautiful Friday. Bye-bye.